How y'all doing today? We're working on a 2004 Dodge 1500 four-wheel drive, and we're going to be changing out the upper control arm, the bottom control arm bushings, ball joints, bottom ball joint, fixing this, and when we're done today, it'll look like this. Nothing. I've already removed the ball bushing. I gotta take the sway bar bushings out right here. I need new wheel bearings. I've already removed this bushing, because I'm gonna put the polyurethane bushings in it, so you leave the old existing shell out and you gotta get the rubber out, and boy is that fun. So yeah, this is what we're up to. So, yeah, beautiful view, beautiful day here in Southern California. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.